Good evening all. Today we are going to show how to operate sandwich toaster. So here I plug in and on the switch and see the red light is coming for waiting for preheat. So I just wait, and after the light glowing I open the cover and put the bread inside. We are waiting. Red light is glowing but green is not yet. We are waiting for preheat. We are still waiting. Yes, we see the light is glowing. Now I just open the cover and put the bread inside, and be careful, and now I close the door again, and we are waiting again. We are still waiting. We are waiting still now. Let's see. Yes, the light is off. Now we carefully open the door. We just open the door very carefully and take this bread out, and this way we completed the sandwich toaster. Thank you.